Strange, isn't it, today? We are appearing in a strange place, in a strange online class. I thought I just saw Harry Potter, his friend Ron and Hermione. Well, perhaps I'm gonna read that. Hi Potter, how are you today? Oh, he said fine, awesome. So he's first time seeing me. So well, nice to meet you Potter too. Perhaps let me share one or two QS magical tricks with you today. Is it okay? Well, perhaps I can show you about the Glodon trick or the magical spells. Come, let's have a go. Glodon gas EQ me. Oops, I thought I just turned to a contract document. Okay, sorry for losing focus just now. Welcome to today's online class as part of the Taylor's University online delivery as part of the operational readiness test. Today we'll be learning measurement of columns as well as pad footing. Of course, we're doing it online, and I'll be guiding you guys through this online screencast. I hope you guys, can follow along either at home or later on, maybe at the classroom using the lab computers. Okay. I just like to make some remark, or disclaimer first before we begin. Okay. First is that this is my first time, of course, doing all these online tutorials, and it's kind of strange and very mystical. And secondly, is that this is no rehearsal. I'm just going straight ahead for nosedive and getting our feet wet. So I just like to disclaim that I will surely break things, and things might not work as planned. And thirdly, is that the software which I'm using for the demo is education limited version. So bear with me if it's unable to so-called perform something, or I have to restart the project. This is because of the education limitation. Okay. So let's straight away focus on the first item of today. So to measure columns, we need to of course import the drawings and define the element as seen on the screen, and drawing using the drawing input navigation bar, column. Okay, then we click column, we own these elements, and let's go to the next slide. Okay, next I'll click new rectangle, then I'll edit the properties editor window. So in that window which I need to include first is the name category. Category includes, for example, is it a frame column? Is it a transfer column? Is it an embedded column? Or is it an end column? Okay, or common column? And the thing we need to specify is the material. For example, is it an in-situ concrete, precast concrete, brick, or stone? These are things we need to specify for Glodon. Okay. Next, we also need to put, for example, the concrete type, the concrete grade, the rebar content, okay, the cross-sectional and width and height, the cross-sectional area, girth, okay, and bottom elevation, and the form type. Okay, for this I will explain a bit more. Let me jump to the next on what's the so-called bottom and top elevation. Okay. Okay, this one is talking about the. So, to give you an example, the bottom elevation says the height of the strip foundation unit bottom to the bottom of the strip foundation. This is the example. So, as you can see, this is the bottom. Okay, this is the see, my mouse is the bottom and this is the relative bottom. Okay, so trying to see that it is relative. I mean, is plus. Okay, this is a minus. So if it's higher, then it will be maybe plus 300 mm or plus 100 mm. Okay, if it's the same height, just leave it at 0. It's fine. Okay, this is just this is additional properties which you might need to specify. Next. Okay, sorry for losing focus, but this is the brick form type. Okay, they call it the formwork type. Let's jump to this one screen. Okay, the form type is defined. For example, this is the brick here. This shear and this is the column. So this is column here. Look at my mouse. So it tries to specify whether is there any left behind wall, and the brick wall can form part of the formwork, or even whatever. Okay, or even they call it for the pad footing. Sometimes they assume that you might even use brick. Okay, so as you see, this is the thickness of the brick formwork. Yeah, in the actual pipe. But anyway, just like to make so-called disclaimer is that the attributes is only for identification and is not used in calculation of the so-called quantities. So this is, I would say, optional. Okay, come, let's jump. Let's have a feed wet in doing the code first. Okay. Okay. This is the gas 2017 version. Okay, first of all, allow me to import sample drawing. Make sure I'm on the floor. I can see it's ground floor. I'm going to my folder. I need to click draw this now to bring out this 2D draw manager. Okay, if it doesn't appear, you have to click draw this now because the screen was on. So I double click on drawing. Okay, drawing. Then I jump to the right. You see add drawing. Okay, then I'm opening up my drawing. Sorry for the lag bit. My computer is a bit slow. Okay, let's load this typical one. Okay. As I say, more little version. To do the axis grid is optional. I mean, for the sake of time, I will just skip the the axis grid thing, and let's go to, I say, column. Okay. The later you can straight away define and draw elements without doing the axis grid. It's not a mandatory requirement. Okay. Try to bear with me a bit. I think the drawing is... That's the drawing. Okay, apologies for that. draw at such low resolution. See some of the column, okay? Okay, so let's leave the concrete grade, the rebar bondage as it is, okay? So it starts with the 400 column, okay? So this one we can so-called rename it, okay? Section height, okay? This is a rectangular column. Of course, if it's height, okay, and as well as the top, the bottom elevation, this one we leave as it is, okay. I don't want to mess too much with it, okay. Okay, so this let's I think the drawing has gone missing. Just give me a second. Harry Potter didn't mess too much with the drawings. It's like gone missing. Oh god, where is it? For the hiccup a bit. This always happens because, as I say, this is a China software. It doesn't always work as as it is. Okay, come. So how am I going to measure if it's not stated? So I use the measuring tape, or they call the measure distance. I just do 1 or 2 columns, and you guys get the idea. Okay, it's 400. Next, so just now it's the height, okay? We find it. And next, hello. Okay, this 100 by 200 column, okay? So, I mean, you just do one side, this all to width. Let's check the length of this. Of course, the height of the column is set using the story height, yeah? And we kept it at 3 meters because when I started, I didn't modify anything. So this one is 600, okay? So it's 600, 200. Okay, so let's try doing this. I think this is also 600, 200. It's just rotated. $750. Okay, $750. I think the width should be 200 or 300. Let's see. It's not clicking. Okay. Click. Okay, this is 25. Okay, this is 750 Okay, I think we have quite a few columns to play with, or 3 columns. Let's just have a go for time's sake, because we cannot finish everything. Okay. Can you just remember just now what did I say? One is 400 and 200. Okay. Just go with it. Okay, 200. Okay, I just keyed it now. You just see, I just click here. Okay, look for mouse. Okay, this I also rename it 400. Okay, I can rename at the top there. 400, please. 200. Okay, okay. So I think it's on back. So I think maybe I change it the orientation a bit. It makes it easier for us. Okay. I mean, of course we can rotate, but for that I just want to show we are right first. Okay. Okay, 400. Okay, 400, 200. Can you see? It's 200. It's 400. Okay. Next, click draw. Place one column, okay, and you can on the 3 wheel, which is the 3D wheel. Okay, this is one of column. Okay, let's go back and do the next. Go click define. I just do 3 columns here. The rest, you guys, hands-on tutorial, okay, at class or at home. Special shape. Let's click another rectangular one, okay. As you can remember, we got I think. First one I put is what, 200, right? 200. Okay. Okay. And 600. Okay. And 600. Okay. And good practice. I'll just rename this 200 times 100. Okay. Okay. Maybe for consistent. Okay, next I draw. So I'm on the drawing screen now. Let's change back to the top view. Okay, of course you can use the so-called steering wheel, or they call it whatever. So I'm going for I'm going for the one with the cross. Okay. So I just place the second column. Okay. By the way, the green one is COB as column on beam. So that means there's no column down. They call it column beam. So this one we just ignore it. Let's try to do this one. As you can see. This one I think is wider, 225, 750. Okay. Okay. Let's create another one. I'll have to place it using rotation. Okay. I'll create the usual sapphire using. Okay. Okay. So I click play. Of course, it's wrong orientation. What I do is I try on the rotate. It's center point. Okay, I'll just try to eyeball the center point. Oops. Come on. Oh, it doesn't want to click. Am I? We can move it later. So, okay, roughly it's a position, and I'll just click, and leave it. Okay, then I will. Oops. Angle, okay, 0. Okay. Oops. Let's give it another try. Okay, where's my auto? Okay, I will off the off the axis. Okay, I'll click at will. Okay, so I'll just eyeball it. Okay, hope this, fingers crossed, hope it works. Okay, then I'll just click enter. Okay, I think it placed already, hopefully. Yeah, this is how it works. So I can click view. Okay, let's maybe change. Just now I click the first one, view it from an angle. Okay, so you can see the nice. Okay, okay. So let's go to the next for time's sake. Okay, let's try to do the pad footing. Okay, so this is a sample pad footing. So we can use maybe 1/800 or 2.1, 2.1. Okay, let's just maybe play with the size 1 by 1.8 and 2.1 by 2.1 meter. Okay. Okay, how to create a pad footing or isolated footing, they call it. Okay, first you go to this foundation, isolated foundation, new isolated foundation, then you click new again, go to isolate new rectangular isolated foundation. Okay, it's double the procedure here. Okay, it's highlighted over here in the screen. Okay, it's here, and you need to put in the name, material, these things as usual. It's annoying. Okay, for time's sake, I tried to click it on this drawing. Since this is the ground floor, it should work. It should work. Okay, but if it doesn't work, bear with me. Okay, I'm not doing rehearsal here. This is live training. So I click foundation, isolated foundation. Then I click new. Okay, I think I already created the first one already, isolated foundation, and then you can click new rectangular isolated foundation. Okay, so we will come up reach here actually. So okay, this is F11. What we do is we change the height. I say maybe we change to 1.8, 1.8 by 0.8. Let's assume the height as maybe 500 is okay, or maybe 450 or maybe what's the height? Okay, height, depth 100. That one is 350. So switch back. So this one is 300. Okay. Just change it to 300. Okay. Let's click define and see. Is there a preview? Don't think shows a preview. Okay. Doesn't matter. Let's click draw and fingers crossed. Change the view back to top view. Top view. What a serious lag. It's very lag. Okay. So I'll just eyeball the center and just click 1. That's it. Okay. This one I'll just call it. This one. Which one? Correct. This one. What? 800. 100 times 300. Oh, shit. Ooh, okay. We got quite a nice pipe fitting over here. Okay. Let's do the next one. Let's draw back to top. Okay. Let's assume this and the top one is the same. Since this is the parameter, I'll just click again. Done. I'll click SG. Let's create another one. Or size, no? Factories makes perfect. First, I need to click at this one. No, this one I have. Then I click New Rectangular Isolated Foundation. The screen comes up, and I will rename this to what? 210 times 300. Okay. This one. Sorry for the jumping. 21 and 35. Okay. Just double check whether am I on the right relative bottom 300. Okay. So it says relative bottom 300. Well, never mind. Let's just have a try and see what's the difference if this one is relative bottom 300. Say it's the bottom of the bottom of the bottom like this. I show like this one. No, bottom elevation, the relative elevation. Okay. Let's just have a click and see what happens. Eyeball this one. Oh. Yeah, let's place the second one. Okay, let's view it in 3D from an angle. Okay, I think everything looks fine. This one I think it doesn't seem to have any effect. Okay, so that's about it for today. Okay, so we did columns and Pilecaps. Well, it's the software, Glodon. We change the concrete rate, not the rebar content. This one is the bottom of the foundation against the. Let's maybe change it to 0 and 0. Just saw it became less thick by 300. Okay, so just now early on there was a king or something like that at the bottom, so that was the effect. I mean, the how to explain? When I did it, all of a sudden this part gone missing. Foundation, bottom, and the relative so-called bottom elevation. So just keep this at 0 because we don't have this relative bottom elevation, so it's not really required. I mean, unless you have special purpose for it, you want to keep 300 and have additional height of 300. I also just keep it 0 and then change the parameter. Okay, understand? It's kind of mind-boggling at the moment. Well, once you get into it and hands-on and play with it, you get better. So I think that's about it for Glodon. I just stop here and maybe we have another video later on. Okay, and hope you guys enjoy. Just by the way, I just for so-called attendance sake, later on, when you keen at the padlet, the padlets, at the padlet, I would like you guys to keen your semester. Yeah, I want you guys to keen your name, your semester, your section number, group number. So, for example, group 1, so your ID. I'd like you guys to increment the last figure of your student ID is a number. Can you add 3 into it? So you just 3 4, just do the maths, 11. Okay? So this is to ensure that you guys actually watch the video and and actually do the score, the calculation and put it in. Hope you guys can just do it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.